Yes, good morning from a hot Friday afternoon or Friday morning in Paranov. As you can see, the swimming pool is slowly but surely getting back to its blue form. We hit a snag. The one pipe blew off. So we are just going to wait for the technician to come and fix that, and then it will be all hands on deck. Say this Canadella I've been growing for the last 3 to 4 years. This is the biggest or the longest or the highest it has become, and the plant next to it is also coming along nicely. Then, as mentioned, this upper leafy tree is starting to become a nice bush. My youngest son Andrew absolutely loves to eat this, so yeah, the bigger the better. We are going to party later on. I'll also share a video of how the party is going. May you all enjoy your day.